change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of success is found in your daily routine. Successful people aren't just born successful. They become successful by establishing habits of doing things that unsuccessful people don't like to do. So here are 10 habits that you can inculcate in your life on your journey to become successful. So let's get started. So the first habit that you can inculcate in your life is start your day early. Yes, you heard it right. One of the core habits of highly successful people is that they get out of bed early. They make use of this time wisely to do things like exercise, meditation, and planning their activities for the entire day. It provides them with a sense of confidence to plan things ahead of time and to easily accomplish their daily tasks. Meditation. Like I have mentioned in my previous video, meditation has many mental as well as physical benefits. It removes stress, controls anxiety, boosts self-awareness, etc. Many people who have achieved success in life have discovered uncountable benefits of meditation. They are used to meditate every day because it improves their memory along with many other benefits. The next habit that you can inculcate is reading. Did you know that reading routine can actually boost your smartness? According to a study conducted by neuroscientists, it is discovered that reading even a single novel improves your brain function. It is one of the most common habits of highly successful people. Reading actually helps them to think better and learn something new every day. Exercise daily. How can you ever become successful if you have no plans to deal with stress? According to a research, 89% of the Indian population is suffering from stress. This is one of the major reasons why successful people make it a habit to exercise on a daily basis. Because they know that if they remain in stress all the time, they won't be able to deliver their best. Doing exercise on a daily basis or at least 4 to 5 times in a week not only helps them to enhance their memory and mental sharpness, but also enables them to improve their creativity. Networking with like-minded people. Living around successful people can have a huge impact on your success because they always keep you motivated. That's why successful people always prefer to develop relations with positive and motivated people so that they can have the company of the right people. They also try their best to limit their exposure with negative people as they can hinder their growth. Be goal-oriented. Setting goals is one of the best habits of highly successful people as it increases their dedication towards work and provides more clarity in making decisions. Almost every successful person sets short-term as well as long-term goals and achieves them one after the other. Take sufficient sleep. Having enough sleep is also essential for achieving success in life. It not only sharpens your brain but also helps to boost your mood. Successful people know the importance of having adequate sleep, and that is the reason why they take sufficient amount of sleep every day to set themselves up for top priority work. Don't rely on single source of income. Successful people always work towards creating multiple income sources so that they don't have to rely completely on single source of income for financial stability. They normally have around 3 to 5 income streams so that they don't have to waste their time too much thinking about financial crisis. Avoid things that waste your time. For every successful person, time is money. They know that they only have specific amount of time every day and that they have to utilize it effectively in order to become successful. Instead of scrolling on Facebook or watching Netflix, etc., they try to utilize this time effectively on doing things that are more productive. Take care of your health. Successful people believe that a healthy body makes a healthy mind. They know that they can't sacrifice their health by eating unhealthy food as it can keep them away from the road to success. They eat a well-balanced diet so that they can remain fit and energetic to accomplish all the things that they want in life. You can let me know in the comments below which of these habits you are planning to inculcate in your life on your journey to become successful. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. channel so that you don't miss out on the amazing content coming your way. Until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, love you all.